Let's set up tools first. Click on Tools from the sidebar. You'll see a bunch of pre-made tools here. You can enable any of these, edit them, or build your own. Let me enable Book Appointment. Now fill in the details. This is where you set the rules for how your agent books appointments. First, pick your booking system. In-app bookings keep everything inside OpusCall, which is the easiest setup. But you can select other calendars too. Next, list your available services. Type each one, hit Add. Your agent will only book what's in this list. Set your buffer between bookings. 15 minutes is a good default. Gives you breathing room between patients. Toggle Send SMS Confirmation on. Your patient gets a text the second the booking is locked in. Hit Save Changes. Do the same for the rest of the tools you need. Each tool has its own settings. Enable, configure, save. If you need something that the pre-made tools don't cover, you can build your own custom tools in just a few clicks. To create a custom tool, click Create Custom Tool. First, pick where it saves data. Internal is recommended for most businesses. Give it a name. Then, write a clear description. This is what the AI reads to decide when to use it, so be specific. Pick a category: booking, communication, commerce, data, workflow, or custom. I'll go with the workflow. Now choose what this tool does. It can collect data, log notes, tag contacts, create tasks, or update status. I'll pick log notes. Pick where it saves: call record, contact record, or both. I'll select both. Last step, add the fields you want your agent to capture. For example, reason _for visit as a string marked as required. Add a quick description like why the caller is reaching out. Click Add Field if you need more. Click Create Tool. Done. Your tools are ready.